Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for John in Illinois, and this throttle body here is an ASR unit from E-Class, and it's an ASR unit 400E, and I believe it's a 93 model. And this is the bench test basically after the unit has been taken all apart, checked out, and after being on the bench for about 20 hours by now. So what was done? The unit came very dirty, so it had to be cleaned up. And this is how it cleaned off, and the back side of the unit right there. Okay, so it's nice and clean. Now I did replace the wiring loom, even though these are the older looms with the bigger connector, but I did replace it. As you can see, this is all brand new wiring. Silicone the entry point. The internals all cleaned up, lubricated, and potentiometer itself all taken apart, double checked, cleaned off. There was some wear, of course, because you will have wear in a unit of this vintage. So that was all done, and now it's being tested and everything seems good to me. So let me go and show you the readings. Let's go back to idle position here. This is our idle position. So at idle, what we see is my micro switches on off. 4.24, 0.49. That's pretty much spot on readings on these units. They can range a little bit, except for the upper one always the same. The bottom one can range, but this one is at 4.49, which is extremely close to pretty much most of the units I test. Some two previous units I tested, they were 0.52 and 0.50. This one is 0.49, but again, this is not super principle. They range, nothing's wrong with that. So throttle, once you open the throttle, switches change and readings also change. So linkage smooth, no binding. I had to kind of like move it around a little bit so it would remain smooth, because before when I got it, this was quite tight, so there was a little binding going on. The plate cleaned up, realigned, and that's basically all. So after all these hours, now went into the limp. It's been working and working and working. Coil seemed to be fine, because if coil would fail when it's hot, and it is hot right now after all these hours, then it would shut off, and it did not shut off. Everything is working. I'm testing it with the C-Class throttle, C-Class E-Gas, which is right here. It's E-Gas module right there. So yeah, so this unit is ready to go. As you can see, the readings are all there. What else we can see? Safety fuel shut off. Let's see if that reading is okay. Yeah, 8.8, 8.6. That's perfect. So here we have it. All the other things you don't really see because nothing is connected to this module. There is no communication with other modules. So that's how basically is. So right now I can say this unit is an operational unit and it's ready to go back to a customer. Alright, so this is all for now. This is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.